Problem 1. You have decided to remodel your bathroom and install a tile floor. The bathroom is in the shape of a rectangle, and the floor measures 14 feet 8 inches long by 5 feet 6 inches wide. The tiles you want to use cost $5 each, and each tile covers 4 2/3 square feet. If you have $100 to spend, do you have enough money to complete the project? A hint is to keep your calculations in feet, so change our inches into a fraction of a foot. So we're going to solve this problem in 3 steps. Our first step is going to be to find the area of the bathroom floor. So find area of the floor. To find the area of a rectangle, we do length times width. So our bathroom floor is 14 feet 8 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to change these into mixed numbers. So 14, and I know there's 12 inches in a foot. And I'm going to simplify this 8 over 12. I can divide both of these by 4. So I get 14 2/3 feet by 5 and 6 over 12. I'm going to simplify that. I can divide those both by 6. So I get 5 1/2. So I'm going to do 14 2/3 times 5 1/2. To do that, we take our mixed number and change it into an improper fraction. So 3 times 14 plus 2 would give us 44 over 3 times 2 times 5 plus 1 would be 11 over 2. I know both of these are divisible by 2, so I'm going to simplify before I multiply. So that turns into a 1, and that turns into a 22. Now we can multiply straight across. 22 times 11 is 242. And on the bottom, 3 times 1 is 3. Now since I'm not done working, I'm going to go ahead and leave this as an improper fraction. And then when I get down to the very end, if I still have an improper fraction, I'll change it. Alright, our second step is going to be to find the number of tiles needed. Now to do this, we're going to take the area of the floor and divide it by the area of one tile. Alright, so the area of my floor, which I just found, 242 over 3, divided by the area of one tile, which in the problem they told us was 4 2/3 feet. So I need to take this mixed number and make it an improper fraction. Go ahead and copy the first one down. 3 times 4 plus 2 would be 14 thirds. To divide fractions, we do our keep, change, flip. So keep, change to multiplication, and flip my fraction. Now again, I know both of these are even, so I'm going to divide them by 2. So that gives me 121 over here and 7 right here. And then both of these are divisible by 3, so I get a 1 and a 1. And now I can multiply. 121 times 1 is 121. 1 times 7 is 7. So I don't know what this is as far as number of tiles, so I'm going to go ahead and divide this out. And when you divide that out, you get 17.2. So now we think if we go to the store, we can't buy 17.2 tiles. We're going to have to buy that extra tile, so we need a total of 18 tiles. Alright, so now that we know how many tiles we need, now we can find out our total cost. So our third step is to find the total cost. So to do that, it's going to be cost is equal to the number of tiles times the unit price. All right, I know I need 18 tiles, and each tile was $5. So that would be a total of $90. So yes, we would have enough.